Ever wondered what the most luxurious yachts in the world look like? Picture this, a floating mansion with multiple decks, state-of-the-art amenities, and interiors that would put a palace to shame. This is no ordinary boat, but a mega yacht, a symbol of unparalleled luxury and opulence. Mega yachts are extraordinary in their size and grandeur, often stretching over 100 feet. They come with an array of features tailored to the owner's taste. From helicopter pads to movie theaters and even miniature submarines. It's not just about transportation, it's about experiencing the highest level of comfort and luxury while navigating the open seas. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the most exquisite yachts in the world, each one a testament to human ingenuity and the pursuit of the extraordinary. These are no ordinary vessels. They are floating dreams, the epitome of luxury and a statement of wealth and power. So, are you ready to dive into the world of mega yachts? Now let's explore the world of mega yachts, starting with the Azam and the Eclipse. These two titans of the sea, each in a league of their own, redefine the meaning of luxury and opulence. First off, we have the Azam. With a staggering length of over 590 feet, the Azam is currently the longest private yacht in the world. But size isn't everything. The Azam is also one of the fastest, capable of reaching an impressive speed of over 30 knots. Inside this floating palace, you'll find a lavish interior designed by Christophe Leoni, featuring a main salon with a length of 95 feet. That's without any pillars or partitions, mind you. As for the price tag, it's believed to be around $500 million. Then, there's the Eclipse. While slightly shorter than the Azam at around 533 feet, the Eclipse more than makes up for it with its stunning amenities. It boasts 2 helicopter pads, a disco hall, a mini submarine, and a missile defense system, just in case. But the piece de resistance has to be its master suite, equipped with a private deck and a rotating bed. And the cost of this floating fortress? A cool $1.5 billion. Each of these yachts has its own unique features that set them apart. The Azam, for instance, has a sophisticated design that allows it to navigate shallow waters, while the Eclipse has an advanced anti-paparazzi system that uses lasers to block digital cameras. In the end, whether it's the Azam with its speed and elegance, or the Eclipse with its defense systems and indulgent amenities, both these mega yachts are a testament to human ingenuity and the pursuit of luxury. The Azam and Eclipse are truly wonders of the sea, aren't they? But the luxury doesn't end there. Let's continue with the Serene and the Dubai. Moving on to the Serene, a true spectacle of floating luxury. She stretches a staggering 330 feet, making her one of the largest yachts in the world. Built by the renowned Italian shipyard Fincantieri, the Serene is a marvel of naval engineering. Her 7 decks house a staggering 12 guest suites, an internal seawater pool, 2 helicopter landing pads, and even a submarine garage. Yes, you heard that right. A submarine garage. The estimated price tag of the Serene? A cool $1.6 billion. Just to put that into perspective, you could buy an entire island in the Bahamas and still have change left over. Now let's turn our attention to the Dubai, a yacht that truly lives up to its name. At an impressive 532 feet in length, the Dubai is the second largest private yacht in the world. The Dubai is not just about size, though. She's also about elegance and sophistication. Built by Platinum Yachts, the Dubai is a floating palace that boasts a mosaic swimming pool, a helipad, and even a disco. Her suites are lavishly decorated with handmade mosaics and gold leaf ceilings. The price for this floating piece of art? A staggering $400 million. But when you step aboard the Dubai and see the level of detail and craftsmanship, you'll understand why she's worth every penny. These 2 yachts, the Serene and the Dubai, are the epitome of luxury and opulence. They're not just boats. They're floating palaces, testament to human ingenuity and the pursuit of the extraordinary. They're the perfect blend of size, beauty, and sophistication, and they represent the pinnacle of what's possible in the world of luxury yachting. The Serene and Dubai, 2 more examples of the ultimate luxury on water. Now let's turn our attention to the epitome of luxury, the streets of Monaco. Imagine, if you will, a floating city, but this isn't just any city. This is a meticulously crafted replica of the city-state of Monaco, known worldwide for its extravagance and wealth. The yacht that bears its name, the Streets of Monaco, encapsulates these qualities and more. This one-of-a-kind vessel is more than just a yacht. It's a testament to human ingenuity and a symbol of ultimate luxury. Its design is a marvel, mirroring the layout of Monaco's most iconic landmarks, including the famed Monte Carlo Casino and the Grand Prix course. But the Streets of Monaco isn't just about aesthetics. It's about offering an experience that transcends the ordinary, the expected. It boasts amenities that would put even the most opulent of hotels to shame. There's a fully functional go-kart circuit, modeled after the Monaco Grand Prix track. There's a mini submarine and helipads and swimming pools and a tennis court. And let's not forget the Oasis, a sprawling space inspired by the gardens of Monaco, offering a tranquil escape from the bustling cityscape. In the heart of this floating city, you'll find the Prince's Palace, a multi-story structure that serves as the owner's suite. It's complete with a private courtyard, a sun deck, and panoramic views of the azure ocean that stretches out as far as the eye can see. And then there's the price tag. The Streets of Monaco carries a price tag that reflects its grandeur and exclusivity. It's estimated to cost around $1 billion. Yes, you heard that right. $1 billion. It's a figure that's as staggering as the yacht itself, a testament to the lengths some will go to experience the pinnacle of luxury. The Streets of Monaco is truly a city on the sea, don't you think? Ever wondered who owns these mega yachts? It's a question that often lingers in the minds of those who gaze upon these floating palaces. The owners of these lavish vessels are often as intriguing as the yachts themselves. From titans of industry to Hollywood celebrities and even members of royal families, the list of yacht owners reads like a who's who of the world's elite. Firstly, billionaires. The world's wealthiest individuals often see yacht ownership as a testament to their success. For these individuals, a mega yacht is more than just a means of transport or a vacation spot. It's a symbol of their status, a trophy that showcases their financial prowess. They're the ones commissioning custom-built vessels that push the boundaries of luxury and innovation. Then there are the celebrities. Hollywood actors, world-renowned musicians, and sporting legends alike have been known to indulge in the yacht lifestyle. For them, these vessels serve as an escape, a private sanctuary away from the prying eyes of the public and the relentless flash of paparazzi cameras. Their yachts often reflect their personal style and are decked out with all the amenities that cater to their individual tastes and preferences. Lastly, royalty. Kings, queens, princes, and princesses have long been associated with yacht ownership. These vessels are often part of the royal fleet and serve as a diplomatic tool, hosting state visits and official functions. Royal yachts are typically steeped in tradition and elegance, reflecting the regal status of their owners. But regardless of who owns them, these mega yachts all have one thing in common. They are symbols of wealth and prestige. They're not just modes of transport, nor are they simply places to vacation. These vessels represent the pinnacle of luxury, an exclusive club that only a select few can claim membership to. So the next time you spot a mega yacht gliding across the horizon, remember this. Owning a mega yacht is more than just a luxury. It's a statement. So, there you have it. A journey into the world of mega yachts. These floating palaces are the epitome of luxury, equipped with everything from helipads to infinity pools, extravagant staterooms to state-of-the-art kitchens. Each feature is meticulously planned and executed to perfection, resulting in a masterpiece that is as much an architectural marvel as it is a testament to human ingenuity. We've also taken a look at the individuals who own these magnificent vessels. They are the elite, the successful, the ones who've reached the pinnacle of their respective fields. Owning a mega yacht is not just about flaunting wealth, but it's also about experiencing the ultimate in comfort and luxury. Through this journey, we've seen how these yachts embody the pinnacle of luxury. They are a symbol of a lifestyle that is out of reach for many but dreamt of by all. Next time you see a yacht, you'll know just how much luxury they hold. Until then, keep dreaming of the high seas.